In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide active status or last seen on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, first off, tap right here to open up Snapchat map. And then if you would like to hide your last location, tap right here, add gear. And that's where at the very top we can easily find ghost mode. When that option is enabled, your friends can see your last active location. If you would like to hide your last active location, turn it on, and once you tap on it, you will be asked if you would like to enable ghost mode for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. I'm gonna choose 3 hours. After that, there is one more option we can configure, and to do that, first off, we need to tap at our profile picture and then tap at that gear to head over to settings. In settings, we need to scroll down all the way until we find activity indicator. Once we get into it, we'll be able to turn on or off the option which is called activity indicator. When it's enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. To hide your active status or last seen, I recommend you to turn this off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.